Hi guys, just want to talk around the gear extension for the Mazda Mark III gearbox, which we use on our 2.5 Duratec builds. Obviously we fit this as standard, and it's standard on all our kits to bring the gear change to the correct position. We do get quite a lot of inquiries, and it's a product that we don't particularly advertise at the moment, but it would suit a lot of applications. The Mark III Mazda gearboxes have been used for several other kit cars, as well as other vehicles that are retrofitting engines, etc. This works very straightforward. It just replicates the gear linkage, but obviously brings it about 4 inches back from the original position. You've got rose bearings in there, and works really nice, really positive, and you don't lose that feel that you get from the Mazda, the gearbox, which obviously they're renowned for and quite famous for.